Good day, this is Professor Will, CPMD PhD. Today is Saturday, May 15th, 2021. It is 4:12 and 28 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, the cerebellum. So let's hop to it here. The cerebellum may have played an important role in the evolution of the human brain. Study compares epigenetic modifications to DNA in the cerebellum of humans, chimpanzees, and monkeys. Date May 6, 2021. Source PLOS. Summary. The cerebellum, a part of the brain once recognized, mainly for its role in coordinating movement, underwent evolutionary changes that may have contributed to human culture, language, and tool use, according to a new study. Scientists studying how humans evolved their remarkable capacity to think and learn have frequently focused on their prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain vital for executive functions, like moral reasoning and decision-making. But recently, the cerebellum has begun receiving more attention for its role in human cognition. A research team investigated the evolution of the cerebellum and the prefrontal cortex by looking for molecular differences between humans, chimpanzees, and rhesus macaque monkeys. Specifically, they examined genomes from the two types of brain tissue in the three species to find epigenetic differences. These are modifications that do not change the DNA sequence, but can affect which genes are turned on and off, and can be inherited by future generations. Compared to chimpanzees and rhesus macaques, humans showed greater epigenetic differences in the cerebellum than the prefrontal cortex, highlighting the importance of the cerebellum in human brain evolution. The epigenetic differences were especially apparent on genes involved in brain development, brain inflammation, fat metabolism, and synaptic plasticity. The strengthening or weakening of connections between neurons, depending on how often they are used. The epigenetic differences identified in a new study are relevant for understanding how the human brain functions and its ability to adapt and make new connections. These epigenetic differences may also be involved in aging and disease. Previous studies have shown that epigenetic differences between humans and chimpanzees in the prefrontal cortex are associated with genes involved in psychiatric conditions and neurodegeneration. Overall, the new study affirms the importance of including the cerebellum when studying how the human brain evolved. The results support an important role for the cerebellum in human brain evolution and suggest previously identified epigenetic features distinguishing the human neocortex are not unique to the neocortex. Good day, this is Professor Will, CPMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.